SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to share an Amazon link on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Note that this video will assume that you already have the Amazon app downloaded and installed on your phone. If you don't, then you can just open the App Store, then you can search for the Amazon app, then you can download and install it. So once you have the app, then you can simply navigate to the app icon. You can then tap on it to select it. And then you just need to search for the item that you would like to share. And then once you find that item, you can tap on it, which is going to open up the product page. And then you're just going to be looking for the share icon that's near the product image. It looks like a square with an arrow pointing out of it. Depending on your screen resolution and the size of the product image, it could be underneath the product picture, but in this case, it's to the right of it. So you're just going to tap on that share button, and then you can scroll down and choose the app or method of sharing that you would like to use. I'm going to select the messages option. And then you'll see that a description of the product as well as a link to it is going to appear in the text message field. So then you can just enter the name or phone number of the person that you would like to share that information with. And then you can tap the send arrow to share that link with that person. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.